Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 2024 top song playlist on Spotify. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer and I'm going to open up my Spotify application on my computer. Then I'm going to show you how we can get the 2024 top song playlist on our Spotify. Okay, now my Spotify has been opened and we're going to go to the search menu right here, and then we just need to search for your top songs 2024. Okay, and this is the top songs for 2024 playlist guys, and we just need to click on this playlist to access it. Okay, and these are my top songs in 2024. You'll be able to get your top songs in another year. For example, I'm going to see the top songs in 2023. So I'm just going to search for your top songs 2023. Okay, and this is the playlist. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get 2024 top song playlist on Spotify. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.